We're gearing up for Labor Day weekend 2025 here on the Upper Texas Coast, Bolivar Peninsula. And if you have an RV, or even if you don't have an RV, there's a place to stay here on the Upper Texas Coast and celebrate fun with family and friends. And that is Camp Margaritaville, Crystal Beach, the ultimate RV getaway on Bolivar Peninsula. Camp Margaritaville Crystal Beach is a Texas-sized RV resort offering beachfront luxury, nonstop entertainment, and family-friendly fun on the Bolivar Peninsula. With direct access to 27 miles of Texas beachfront coastline, this resort features oversized RV sites with full hookups, 30 RV rentals for those that don't have a rig, and a laid-back coastal vibe. At its heart is a license-to-chill pool, the largest of any RV resorts, complete with a swim-up bar, hot tubs, cabanas, and VIP suite. Paradise Park hosts live music performances you can enjoy almost from your RV. In fact, let's take a look at the live music lineup from now into this fall at Camp Margaritaville in Crystal Beach, Texas. Friday, August 22nd, Luke Prater takes the stage at Camp Margaritaville. Saturday, August 23rd, Carissa Carter Band live on stage. Friday, August 29th, the Kid Icarus Project back again at Camp Margaritaville. And Saturday, August 30th, JT Reserve live on stage at Camp Margaritaville. And Sunday, August 31st, the Shane Smith and the Saints Labor Day weekend. Friday, September 5th, Joey Greer takes the stage. Saturday, September 6th, Rodell Duff takes the stage live at Camp Margaritaville. Saturday, September 13th, Stoney LaRue fins up for Freedom Weekend. Saturday, September 27th, Corey Morrow back again at Camp Margaritaville. Saturday, September 11th, William Beckman live on stage. As you can see, they've got a great live music lineup. Finn's Bar and Grill serves up island-inspired dishes and coastal views. Not only that, families will love the Parakeet Kids Park, arcade and daily events, and pets are welcome at Camp Margaritaville with a dedicated dog park on site. From the Ocean View Gym to sweet treats at the Dreamsicle Sugar Shop, Camp Margaritaville Crystal Beach is the perfect destination for relaxation, adventure, and everything in between. For more information on Camp Margaritaville, and make sure you sign up for their newsletter, where periodically they send out discounted stays, give you advance notice of specials, and more, please visit their website at campmargaritavillecrystalbeach.com. We're going to head on out. Hope you enjoyed the show. Until next time, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Y'all have a great day, great week. Come see us. Come explore Bolivar Peninsula in 2025. You'll love it. God bless, and bye-bye. Video equipment is sponsored by Crystal Beach Decor and More, located at 1959 Highway 87 in Crystal Beach, Texas, and Beachy Beatnik Boutique and Jewelry, located at 970 Surfside and Highway 87 in Crystal Beach, Texas. Thank you to these two businesses for being our 2025 video equipment sponsor for Bolivar Live.